Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best knee recovery kit is probably one of the most important investments you'll make after knee surgery. Choosing the right kit can significantly impact your recovery journey, ensuring you have everything you need for a smoother, less painful, and more efficient rehabilitation process, from managing swelling and pain to aiding mobility and promoting healing. Number 5. FlexiKold Extra Large Gel Ice Pack. It's extra large, measuring 13 x 21.5, providing generous coverage for your back, hips, or shoulders. Its flexible gel design molds to your body for a comfortable, customized fit. The gel inside stays cold for extended periods, ensuring effective relief from pain and inflammation. This makes it perfect for post-surgery recovery or soothing sore muscles. It's made from durable, double-sealed nylon, built to withstand repeated freezing and thawing. You can use it again and again for lasting relief. It's not just for your back, it's great for shoulders, hips, quads, and even as a breast ice pack. Its versatility makes it ideal for various injuries and conditions. Thousands of physical therapists trust it every day. It's a reliable and effective solution for pain management and recovery. NatureCure, based in Easton, Pennsylvania, is committed to providing high-quality recovery solutions. This ice pack is a testament to that commitment. What we like? It's extra large and conforms to your body, staying cold for a long time. If you need extensive cold therapy coverage after surgery or for injuries, this is perfect for you. Its flexibility ensures comfortable use, making it ideal for various body parts and positions. What people say. The large FlexiKold gel ice packs do it perfectly. I keep them folded in half in my freezer and use 2 or 3 of them while sitting in a chair. My pants and shirts provide enough insulation from the cold that I get a therapeutic effect from the gel pack without it being too cold. The pack is well made, easy to handle, bends easily to fit my contours, and its cold regenerates quickly when laid flat in the freezer for about 2 hours. It takes up little depth space in the freezer and is quite convenient. These chilled quickly and seem to hold their coldness for a good length of time. They also are quite flexible too. They're a good size, remain cold, and remain flexible too. Number 4. Kölbs Bed Wedge Pillow. Start your day refreshed with a comfortable night's sleep. This pillow provides optimal positioning for relaxation and pain relief, whether you sleep on your back or need post-surgery support. It's your bedroom, make it stylish. The elegant jacquard cover adds a touch of class while protecting it from stains. Plus, the cover is easily removable and washable. This pillow offers the perfect balance of firmness and softness. The high-density core provides excellent support for comfortable sleeping. It's ideal for post-surgery recovery, knee pain, or other leg injuries. It allows you to comfortably elevate your legs and improve circulation. Its extra-wide design ensures proper leg positioning and support. It's perfect for back sleepers and those needing knee elevation. Kölbs is a trusted name in medical cushions and bed wedges. Experience the difference of quality and comfort. What we like? This stylish wedge pillow provides comfortable support and proper leg elevation. If you're looking for a comfortable way to elevate your legs after surgery or to relieve pain, this is the perfect choice. Its luxurious design will make your recovery more pleasant. What people say. The product is very well made and worth the price. The cover is washable and comfortable, the foam is of one piece and good quality and keeps its shape, and the color is not offensive though it is basically gray. Post-knee surgery, it is perfect height for sleeping or resting on my back in bed to keep my knee raised above my heart. It also works well placed on a sofa or on stool in front of a chair. Very portable, compact, but has enough width to accommodate both legs. This pillow helps with a few issues. I really like this pillow as it arrived neatly packaged and expanded rather quickly. I removed the nice cover and washed it, while the pillow aired outside, for half a day. To my relief, there was no awful continuous odor. None. I've tried another wedge pillow and the smell was just intolerable. I like the width of this wedge pillow, which is wider than many others. I sleep on my side and it works well. I just add a pillow under my head and it's very comfortable. Number 3. KingPavonini XXL Knee Ice Wrap. It's designed to fit larger knees, ensuring complete coverage and comfortable compression with its adjustable straps. You'll get the support you need without restricting movement. With its extra gel filling, it provides up to 30 minutes of soothing cold therapy. For even longer relief, consider using 2 packs alternately. One plush side offers gentle coolness, while the other nylon side delivers a more intense cold. Start with the plush side for a comfortable transition. The reinforced seams prevent leaks, ensuring long-lasting use and protecting your skin. It's built to withstand repeated freezing and thawing. It's not just for knees. This versatile ice pack can be used on elbows, wrists, shoulders, and more. It's a convenient solution for various aches and pains. This high-quality ice wrap makes a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or anyone recovering from surgery or injury. It shows you care. What we like. This ice wrap provides full knee coverage and long-lasting cold therapy with 2 levels of cooling. If you need targeted cold therapy for knee pain or swelling after surgery or injury, this is ideal. The dual-sided design allows for customized cold therapy. What people say. The 2-pack XXL Knee Ice Pack Wrap is a fantastic solution for post-surgery recovery, injury relief, or managing chronic knee pain. Designed to wrap around the entire knee, these reusable gel packs provide targeted cold therapy, ensuring comprehensive coverage and soothing relief. With 2 packs included, you can alternate them for continuous cold therapy without interruptions. The overall size is just right to cover the knee, under the knee and surrounding areas. The straps are long. It has 2 sides to use. One is very soft and allows for a nice cold. It is generously thick to be most effective. Soft velour lining feels great on your skin. This ice pack wraps completely around your knee to provide all-around cold. You can get up and walk with it on as the Velcro straps keep it in place. Number 2. RMS Premium 7-Piece Recovery Kit. This comprehensive kit provides essential tools for a smooth recovery. It's designed to help you regain independence and comfort after surgery or injury. It includes 2 rotating grabbers, one shorter for everyday tasks and one longer for reaching high or low items. Their non-slip jaws make picking up small objects easy. The sturdy leg lifter helps reposition your leg comfortably in various situations, such as getting in and out of a car or bed. It's strong enough for leg casts. The dressing stick assists with clothing and shoes, while the sock aid makes putting on socks effortless. These tools promote self-sufficiency. A long-handled bath sponge and shoehorn allow for easy hygiene and dressing without bending or straining. Simple tasks become manageable again. This kit offers a complete solution for various recovery needs. Regain your independence and focus on healing with this helpful set of tools. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes multiple tools to assist with daily tasks during recovery. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to simplify your post-surgery recovery, this kit is for you. It makes everyday activities easier and more manageable. What people say. The sock assist tool is super handy, as putting a sock on the surgery leg was impossible, but the tool made it a breeze. The extended shoehorn was a great bonus because it is not as curved as a typical shoehorn, which makes it easier to use. I have stolen the Reacher's grabbers for my use because they are much better made than the ones I had purchased earlier. The grabbers are very good quality and more reliable, better than others that clamp from only one direction. I literally was able to pick a quarter up from off the floor while it was laying flat on the floor, in one try, no less. The most surprisingly useful tool is the canvas leg lifter, with a triangular canvas strap end that slides over the foot, allowing you to lift the surgical leg up onto the bed with 0 pain. Right from the start I found the grabbers to be super useful. They have a good grip so they rarely dropped items. I found them very useful for grabbing my pants and bunching the leg up to slide them on, as well as grabbing my shoe and angling it so I could slip my foot in easier. The leg mover really helped with that. I also had a lot of pain in my knee trying to get up off of the bed, and the leg mover supported the knee when I swung it off of the bed to lessen the pain. Number 1. Mighty X Waterproof Cast Covers. It's 39 inches long, providing full coverage from toes to thigh. Keep your cast completely dry while showering, worry-free. It creates a comfortable, watertight seal without needing extra seals. Enjoy a long, relaxing shower without worrying about getting your cast wet. They're reusable. Just wipe it clean and air dry between uses. You even get 2 in a pack for extra convenience. It stretches easily over your cast without any help. There are no bulky seals or fasteners to struggle with. It's designed for a comfortable fit for a wide range of adult leg sizes. Enjoy a hassle-free showering experience during your recovery. It's lightweight and comfortable, and won't irritate your injury. Plus, it's made with less plastic than other products. We're dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, just contact us, and we'll help you right away. What we like. These waterproof covers fully protect your leg during showers. If you need a reliable and reusable way to keep your cast dry, this is the perfect solution. Its ease of use and multiple applications make showering worry-free. What people say. The cast cover worked amazingly well. It is easy to use. Just slip it over your foot, up your leg to cover the cast. It creates a tight seal on your thigh, keeping out all the water. The seal makes it 100% waterproof. This leg cover is very easy to use. I use it in the shower with no issues. I do not have to worry about water getting to my cast. I let the full shower stream wash down on me and over the covered leg without a concern. The plastic bag is fairly thick, so no worries that it will rip or tear. This item works great. Use this after total knee replacement surgery. Not a drop of water made it inside. We did use additional cling wrap around the top as insurance probably not needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.